everyone, welcome to Japanese home recipe. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sushi roll, makizushi. There are various kinds of home style sushi. This time I will make salmon and avocado with tuna maki. Anyway, let's try cooking. Now it's ready. There are various kinds of homemade style sushi in Japan. Some do home norimaki party by use of both various fresh fish because Japan is surrounded by the sea and they can get fresh raw fish very easily. By the way, if you want to learn how to make steamed rice by microwave, I upload the video. So please check the details there. Thank you for your watching Japanese home recipe. The recipes are available on our website. I regularly update the information on my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So please check them out. Also, please press subscribe button if you like this channel. See you on the next channel. Bye!